I'm not saying you don't like her, but if you buy the milk plenty and keep it, it will not be like this.
Which kind will keep? What do we not say we keep? I don't
know. You are what, babe? Just buy the milk. We keep it. If we give it the baby.
I cannot be buying milk like that. This baby, you know the kind of milk when this baby gives you.
I know.
So you know, Abi?
I know.
You know how Nigeria be now?
I know how Nigeria.
Please,
how Nigeria.
let us manage. In fact, I think we have to cut it down now. I think we have to go down for all this all this 5,000 own, because this thing is too much. Which can be when this child is, in fact, you know what? Go bring me all the milk.
Ask you know what? Ask the baby.
Bring me all the milk I don't buy. I want to see them.
What I think I will bring them.
This
baby trap. She can trap.
Madam, I don't want to talk again, please.
I don't say she looking too much baby look like this. And now that is smart girl this get the job.
Bring the milk back and see. Every time I buy milk, I don't know what people follow them drink that milk.
Baby milk.
What is it? What is it? Jesus Christ. Wait oh. Wait oh. Gifty.
Yes. Odira.
Gifty.
Yes.
Oh
no. What's the apple, babe? Now the baby milk. Now you get baby for house. What's the yes?
Gifty.
Yes.
Wait. Gifty, tell about. So all this milk we have to buy. You know, go stay 1 week. Milk will finish.
She dey chop am. She's drinking it.
Gifty, do you know how much is this milk? You know how much they buy me this milk? You sure said only Christabel talk this milk?
Now only Christabel.
He can never be.
Now me and Precious the first Christabel.
He can never be.
Only Christabel.
It's either you're eating this milk with this girl, or other people are eating this milk with this girl. Because this milk cannot finish in 2 weeks. Do you know how much they sell this milk?
You can finish.
You know what? Who is in this house? Can you know?
Precious.
Who is that house?
Spanner.
Who is in the house? Everybody, come outside.
I think he says washing dishes or something.
Everybody that is in this house, come outside.
Come my bed, you go to come. Because if people can be here, when person be drink milk, everybody be here, she be drinking it.
Everybody come outside.
They love now, they love your vibe. What do you?
Where's Alex?
Christabel.
Where's Alex?
Alex is ready to you.
Come here.
He's doing something.
Okay, he's here.
I
What are you doing? You're videoing. You're videoing me. In fact, it's better you're videoing me. Video me well, oh, because this Madonna, I cannot take it. Please, I know how much is this milk. I know how much they sell this milk in the market. This is not ordinary, all this small money milk. And every 2 weeks, I buy it. This child cannot finish this milk alone in 2 weeks. Who is drinking this milk with this girl? Amarachi.
It's Christabel. She alone.
She alone.
See her 2 months.
If I slap you there, so you want to tell me, say, no, only Christabel finish 2 milk, who is taking this milk with this girl?
What do you mean, sir? You mean say we only my person here one person talk. You mean say we just call us because of milk we know say that Christabel dey drink am. Is either Christabel or this Precious?
I don't understand.
Because Precious like milk.
That's right.
Because I don't believe that you can just call me out because of this thing, boss.
Wait, okay, nobody that drink milk in this house.
I don't want to come because you don't want to milk. Now became milk.
Oga, you know say if you say na another thing you dey talk, come call us. We don't want to understand you. But the fact be say, wetin concern us concern baby milk. But I have to say the truth anyways, because I know they support all these maga. I saw Precious the other day.
Jesus.
That big glass cup where they kitchen, she take.
You know that Precious, they like milk.
I see.
I know. Wait. You're saying, you know say they like milk.
They laugh.
I will steal you this cat. Come here.
Shut up, my head.
Mama, yeah, come here also.
Madam, wait
You, listen. You know you have been taking milk. If I buy ordinary milk, it's not going to take like 1 week. Ordinary milk will finish. So you leave ordinary milk now. You don't enter baby's own.
Uncle,
Do you know how much they sell this thing?
73,000.
Do you know how much they sell this?
Uncle.
Then I'll buy it in 2 weeks. Not even the Precious said, I think it's high time you will not eat in this house.
Uncle, but
Ain't that Uncle me? Ain't Uncle am?
What if you want talk now? You want lie?
where did you see me that I think?
You buy me the drink am. Let me the drink am. Why you food don't carry food? Why are you carry food every time?
How can I food with the tank? I mean, I milk with the tank. Who's going to carry food?
Why you
I'm start talking about.
Why you carry my sister?
What's now?
Why are you beating again?
I'm not beating again now.
Why you beat again? Why you beat again?
Calm down, I see you.
So, Father, it has gotten to the extent of you beating my sister in my house.
Calm down, partner. Smarty, don't.
Hey, Father, so you know which? After beating my sister, you will enter my wife. After my wife, you will enter me.
And the Chris.
Okay, Father. So is that that you're fighting my sister, Abby? So you know what? Enter inside, I'll pack your things and go for this house.
Just like that.
Go for this house. Pack your things and go for this house. Pack your things and come on for this house. Pack your things and come on for this house.
Every Smarty, you don't fight.
Father, wait.
Every Smarty, you don't fight. Smarty, you don't fight. You don't fight.
It's because of the baby milk, right? I'm asking Odira to buy the baby milk. You don't want to buy the milk. So I'm begging him. He said, Mr. Baby, not finish this thing.
Until you don't know what they happen. Make I tell you the truth. This guy
What
they
if
bring
what
am
happens?
me.
Spanner and Precious go on fight now. For
Ah,
baby
they
milk.
talk today, they laugh. You don't do that.
Precious.
No
He
tell me.
say,
Too much
don't break my
now.
plate, though. You know, say people don't break everything. Yeah.
See me go out and they use me to play. See me go out and they use me to play.
Spend and not come outside
See me
again.
go out and they use me to play. I know what about this milk.
You